Ayodhya Rising and Marini Avasthi, who is a famous folk singer, joins us now, and she will speak to us on the Pran Pratishtha 2.0 that has taken place in Ayodhya today. Ma'am, thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. My first question to you, you've been part of the first ceremony that took place at Ayodhya, the Ram Temple, in January 2024. How do you see the second phase of Pran Pratishtha that is taking place today? How grand or divine do you think the ceremony is?
In a society where family unit is the primary, I would say, strength of this nation, the society in general, Ram is seen as a protector and as an ideal who has always, spoken and taken the family unit on a high regard. So, to see him throned like a king, sitting in a throne like a king with Sitaji, with Hanumanji, with his brothers. I think this is the Ram Darbar that we have grown up worshipping in our house, puja rooms. And Ayodhya is always, Ayodhya is wherever Ram is, we have Ayodhya.
Okay. Also, ma'am, help us understand what has been your personal experience with regard to the Pran Pratishtha that has been happening. And you performed, in fact, at the Pran Pratishtha ceremony that took place on the 22nd of January. You were there at Mahakumbh also. You've performed in different countries. At an occasion like this, is there something that you would like to dedicate to the temple and to the country?
Siya Rani ka chal सुहाग रहे सिया रानी का चल सुहाग रहे राजा राम के सिर पर ताज रहे राजा राम के सिर पर ताज रहे सिया रानी का चल सुहाग रहे जब तक ले शीस अहिवात रहे जब तक ले शीस अहिवात रहे गंगा जमुना में धारा बहती रहे गंगा जमुना में धारा बहती रहे.
That's really wonderful. Thank you, ma'am. And also, if I may ask you, from Ram Lalla to Raja Ram, this journey, how would you describe it through your songs?
This song must have been created by some grandmothers, and it is assumed that Mata Kaushalya is singing. And I will sing first and then you will understand why I am singing. This song where Kaushalya is in Ayodhya, Ram is in exile with Sitaji and Lakshman, and they are in forest and it's raining. And Kaushalya is very worried that what if it keeps raining and Ram ka mukut bhij jayega, because for her Ram was a king and injustice was done to him. He was about to be incarnated as a king and he had to leave on exile. So for him, deep in her heart, Ram is a king. So she says, Ram ka mukut na bhije. आगे वो कहती हैं, भीजे तो भीजे, राम सीता का सिंदूर न भेजे. क्यों? सुनिए. मोरे राम के भीजे मुकुटवा लखन सिर पटुका हो राम लखन सिर पटुका हो राम मोरे राम के भीजे मुकुटवा लखन सिर पटुका हो राम लखन सिर पटुका हो राम भीजत भीज पटुकवा अरे मुकुटवा न भीजे राम.